So this is hat, especially for the golf players. So this is called sempak. Sempak is one of the also essential item for the Manipuri traditional culture. So this is a laundry basket, same like yandai. This all are wall hanging electric bulb display. So this is all our flower basket. So this is one of the lovely stall from the Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Guwahati. So this is all our light display. So let's see, this is our tabletop, and this is all our flower basket and interesting curves, flower stand, and one of the solar cane baskets. So nicely carved chairs.
Timber you break, and also we can make thinner, more thinner part, and we can bed the thinner part, which cannot be done in timber.
So
this is a prototype or a sample piece for making doors.
Sir, would you like to comment something?
This one doors.
This is supposed to be the beam, and this is supposed to be the door. So this is a prototype, a sample.
Also made from bamboo.
Yes, these are all bamboo. This everything is made from bamboo.
So this is a wall hanging. We can also use for a purpose of lighting and for a purpose of using incense stick. So this is for decoration purpose. So this is all our lovely handicraft item of bamboo and cane and bamboo. So let's see, bamboo plank made up of bamboo, and let me show you the edges. These all are easily fittable. So, and there is a group section, so it can easily fit inside. So this is it. Okay, so easy to fit. So that's it. And this is the bamboo table, and this is the bamboo bat. And the lovely chairs made up of bamboo and cane. You can see the textures, the lovely textures of this bamboo. This all are pinned with the bamboo itself. So this is it, and this table made up of bamboo plank. And this is our neighbor state called Nagaland Bamboo Diplomat Agency, one of the interesting stall. So let's see.
Hello.
This is the product from the Nagaland state. So interesting product of bamboo. So this is a bamboo charcoal. Oh. So this is it, bamboo charcoal. And this is ready for a grill. So this is it. You can see unboxing of bamboo charcoal. Bam grill of 4 kg. It's worth near about 300 MRP.